Python compound and OR condition. In normal English, the if statement needs to verify two conditions are true. That targs, a variable, is either any or text. That act, a variable, is equal to m. I tried several variations to no avail. I'm sure it's my syntax/logic error, not Python inability. The statement below works because, assumption, the condition to the left of the in statement compares a variable, targs, for equality of a single string, exe, and the same holds true for the condition on the right variable, act, compared to m. I'm assuming I'm not correctly packaging the if targs equals any or text and act equals m statement. If targs equals exe and act equals m.
Your line needs to be written like this. Remember that a programming language is not English, no matter how closely it resembles it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.